Respected teachers and my dear friends, I am Agashar from 8th C. This document is about Indus Valley Civilization. A civilization existed in the banks of the river Indus and their tributaries came to be known as Indus Valley Civilization. The period of this civilization generally placed between BCE 2700 and BCE 1700. Our chapter starts with the incident takes place during the construction of railway line from Multan to Lahore. When the construction came to a standstill, then the engineers noticed some burnt bricks nearby. They were hard and suitable for laying the track. Without wasting any time, they paved those bricks and laid the line. Later, when Sir John Marshall was the director of the Archaeological Survey of India, an excavation was undertaken in 1921. It revealed that the bricks were the ruins of a great civilization. The first excavation was conducted in Harappa in the present Pakistan. It was led by Dayaram Sahni. It was R.D. Banerjee who led the excavations in Mohenjo-daro in the present Pakistan. Since the first evidence for the Indus Valley civilization was obtained from Harappa, this civilization is also known as the Harappan civilization. This civilization stretched across the region ranging from the western part of Pakistan to Alamgirpur in Uttar Pradesh and from Kashmir in the north to the Narmada Valley in the south. We can see the major sites of the Indus Valley civilization in the given maps. We can go through the features of the cities of Indus Valley civilization. This is a great tank called Great Bath discovered from Mohenjo-daro. This was the evidence for the architectural skill of the people of that period. It was built entirely of burnt brick. The key feature of the Harappan cities was the use of hard burnt bricks. All buildings were built of burnt bricks. The cities Harappa, Mohenjo-daro and Lothal all had two parts. This was the another features of cities in Indus Valley civilization. The part of the city to the west was higher and it was used by the administrators. The part of the city to the east was lower and was inhabited by the common people. These cities have planned streets. Houses were built along both sides of planned streets. They were of varying structures. Every house had a toilet. The drainage system was another feature of these cities. The wastewater from the houses was let out into drains. These drains were connected to the main drain of the street. The drains were built of burned bricks and covered with stone slabs. Granary and agriculture. Granaries are significant among the ruins discovered from Harappa. They were big buildings with a facility to dry and store grains. The remains of wheat, barley, millet, etc. have been found here. Evidence of rice cultivation have been uncovered from Rangpur and Lothal in Gujarat. The alluvial soil deposited by the river Indus made the agricultural lands fertile. In Kalibangan in Rajasthan, farming was done by ploughing the land. The figures of ploughs made of clay were discovered from here. Plenty of animal bones have been unearthed from here. The figures of rhinoceros and elephants made of clay have also been found. They reared ox, goat, pig and sheep. In Indus Valley Civilization, accurate weights and measures were used for exchanging the stored products. Weighing and measuring tools have been unearthed from here. The inscriptions discovered from Mesopotamia mention their trade relation with Meluhha. Historians opine that Meluhha is probably Harappa. The Mesopotamian seals found from Harappa also provide evidence for this trade link. These are the seals found from Harappa. Lothal was one of the centers of maritime trade. The clay models of sailing ships obtained also prove their maritime trade link. The people of Indus Valley Civilization collected copper from the mines of Khetri in the present Rajasthan and tin from the present Afghanistan and Central Asia. Copper was mixed with tin to produce bronze. They made tools and weapons using bronze. Since bronze was widely used in the Harappan civilization, it came to be known as Bronze Age civilization. We can see some of the handicrafts of the people in Indus Valley civilization. The seals, clay figures, utensils, ornaments, etc. dug out from Harappa bear witness to their craftsmanship. Ornamental works were done on clay pots. Figures of men, women, and carts have also been uncovered from here. Copper, bronze, and gold were used to make ornaments. Evidence of centers where beads were made have been unearthed in Lothal. Bangles were made from clay, bronze, and tortoise shells. This is a statue of dancing girl found from Mohenjo-daro is also an example for their artistic skills. Harappans had their own script. The attempts to decipher them have not yet been successful. We can see their evidences for the belief systems. Clay figures of women have widely been discovered. They prove the existence of worshipping the mother goddess. Such worship existed in connection with the fertility of the soil. Historians opine that the figures of men found from here are early form of Shiva, Proto-Shiva. They also worshipped animals and trees. The fall of the Harappan civilization. The Harappan civilization began to decline by BCE 1700. Several views prevail on the causes of its decline. A few of them are flood, external invasions, deforestation, decline of agricultural sector, epidemics, etc. We saw some features and pictures of Indus Valley civilization. Fertile soil, plenty of water, grazing fields, etc. were the favorable factors for the concentration of human settlement in the river valleys. These river valleys were the cradles of civilization.